What's up guys, and welcome back to Veggieonpennies. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Alexia and I like to share easy, vegan and simple recipes to help you live healthy while being frugal. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm sharing with you guys 2 easy recipes that you can make to boost your productivity while working at home. So obviously with the whole situation going on, the past few weeks have been really rough. Like all the schools are out of commission, so that means online classes, and then for the rest of us that are already on the workforce, people are working at home, from home, and that comes with many challenges. First of all, for the students and the workers who are working from their houses, not everyone is equipped with a home office or a dedicated workspace that they can just go in, focus, and do their work and get things done. A lot of us really don't have that space, as we only have maybe a desk in our bedrooms or maybe just a kitchen table to work from. So I thought I would come up with this video and show you guys 2 easy recipes that you can whip up in a couple of minutes. So these snacks are really easy. They don't require any baking or cooking, so they're just great to whip up when you have a couple minutes and you're not quite hungry enough for lunch or dinner, but you just want something that's going to pick you up and allow you to work a couple more hours until you take a break. I thought I would show you my easy green smoothie as well as some protein balls that you can whip up in your house when you have a couple minutes and you want something that's gonna pick you up and allow you to work for a couple more hours. Also, I thought that at the end I would add in a couple bonus tips for you to be a little bit more productive at home, so make sure that you tune in and watch till the very end. And yeah, before we jump in the video, just make sure that you like this video as always, and also you can subscribe to my channel for more content coming very soon. And yeah, let's just get right in the video. So for this first snack, I'm going to show you guys how I make a really nice green smoothie. So I've been on a smoothie kick ever since I got back home from the dorms. The fact that I have my blender here makes it really easy and quick for me to make smoothies quite often. And the reason why I love smoothies so much for productivity and working from home is that one, you can drink as you go. Like it really blends it really well into your workflow. So I like that a lot. And second of all, it's really quick to make. It's ready within minutes. So that's really nice, and on top of that, it's a great energy booster. So I'm gonna make you how I make this really quick smoothie. So I'm first starting out with some spinach. So spinach is amazing because it's high in iron and potassium. Both nutrients are really great for your brain health. So since I'm adding something that's high in iron like the spinach I just showed you, I also like to pair it with something that's high in vitamin C, because vitamin C helps iron to absorb in your body. So today I'm going to be using this Kiju juice. Also, I'm adding some parsley, so just normal Italian parsley. Parsley is amazing. I love the taste that it brings to anything, and it has a really bright and tangy taste, so I love to add it to smoothies. It just makes it a little bit more interesting. Then I'm adding in some ginger. Ginger is great for your gut health, and it's just an amazing ingredient. It tastes really good. I just add a tiny bit because it can be overpowering. Then I just add some hemp seeds, so it's gonna add a little bit of fat and proteins. I'm gonna be using some frozen pineapples, and frozen pineapples are great because they're really sweet, so you really don't need to add a lot. Only a handful will provide plenty of sweetness, so that's amazing.
Sometimes I start to wonder if I should change my mind, but when I think back to you, I feel the same.
So I'm back. I just finished making my smoothie. So as you can see, it's a beautiful, vibrant green color. The color alone just makes me like so excited because it's like full of energy. It screams like energy, nutrient, and health to me. So it just makes me want to sip this and do a workout, go on a run, or do some work smoothie all the time. So I'm no stranger to what it tastes like, but I'm going to taste test it for you, of course. Yeah, it's just as amazing as it always is. So hopefully you guys try it home. And if you do and it works for you, just let me know in the comments if you tried it and if it worked for you. I'm just gonna start with some oats, some plain oats. I use the Quaker brand. Peanut butter, I'm using Kraft today. Some flaxseed, some hemp seed, some sugar or some maple syrup if you do have some. Chocolate chips, and some Cheerios. So for the baits, of course, we're gonna start with some oats. So I'm just taking a bowl with a half a cup, and I'm putting in 1 cup of flaxseed, tablespoons of hemp seeds. Just adding 1/3 of a cup of sugar. My peanut butter, and I'm just adding a couple spoonfuls of that. Oops. Like so. Just to make like about 2 really big spoons, because since I didn't use any liquid sweetener, I do need a little bit. I'm also gonna add a handful of Cheerios for fun. Also some mini chocolate chip. I like the brand Enjoy Life. Again, just for fun. Only add a tiny. So it should look something like this when it's done. So as you can see, there's no loose pieces. Everything is nice and compact. So now taking my mixture out of the bowl, it's been about 30 minutes, and I'm also taking a glass jar. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a spoon and make my little energy balls with my hands, and then I'll just put them straight into my jar. Alright guys, so I just finished my energy balls, as you can see. So these were really easy and quick to make. It was only like less than 10 ingredients, and then you pop it in the fridge and then you wait, and then you get to roll them and enjoy them. So I put them straight in a jar because that way I can take it up to my desk, office space, or wherever you're gonna work and be productive. Of course, these are highly customizable. Like if you're allergic to peanuts, you can swap out the peanut butter for any other nut butter that you have. So the first tip has to be tidying up your desk. It's much easier to work when your desk or your workspace is nice, clean, airy, and you only have the essential on your desk. I also like starting my day by writing my top 3 priorities for that day. This allows me to stay focused and make sure I get those 3 tasks done. No matter what, I try to get everything done on my list. I think I got this tip from Erin on Demand. She mentioned it on her channel, and since then I have adopted the habit and I love it. The third tip I have for you is something that's going to be really useful if you work a lot on your computer when you're at home and you get easily distracted by websites or apps like Facebooks and YouTube. So the first one I'm going to talk to you about is called DF YouTube. So it's for distraction free for YouTube, and you can find it on their Chrome Web store. Yeah, So you just download it and it shows up up here in your extensions, and when you go on your YouTube channel it's gonna show up empty like this. So right now I'm on YouTube, I'm on my home, and there's nothing showing up that's like random videos that YouTube is recommending me. Only thing that's showing up is when I go in my actual subscriptions. You can customize this, so if you click on the app and you click on options, you can see that there's different things you can have show and other things you can hide. So that was the first one, and then the second one I want to talk about is newsfeed eradicated for Facebook. So it's kind of the same it's kind of the same vibe going on. Again, it's available on the Chrome web store, and yeah, it just eradicates your feeds pretty much. So when you go onto Facebook, as you can see, this is what your page is going to look like. So you're just going to have your create post widget here, and then you just have a random quote. It always changes, so it's kind of like a motivational quote to get you to work on what you need to work on. And yeah, you're still gonna have your sponsored ad on the right and your all of these widgets on the left. There's really no way to take this off. It's not really as customizable as the first one, but it's still pretty good. Like, you don't get the whole news feed. So yeah, these are really two great Chrome extensions that I've been using for a couple months now, and they help me be a little bit more productive, so I thought I would share them with you. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought I would just share some snack ideas that personally work for me and allow me to be a little bit more productive when I'm working from home or studying from home. So before I let you go, just make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel as well as like this video, of course, and I'll be back in the next video very soon. Ciao.